Revenue operations, often shortened to RevOps, is a business strategy that's gaining significant traction in today's fast-paced business environment. It's more than just a buzzword, it's a fundamental shift in how companies approach growth and customer engagement. At its core, RevOps is a strategic alignment of sales, marketing, and customer service to drive business growth. It's about creating a unified front, ensuring that all teams are working towards the same goals and speaking the same language. Instead of separate teams working in silos, often with conflicting priorities and duplicated efforts, RevOps unifies them under a single cohesive strategy. This means breaking down the walls between departments and fostering a culture of collaboration and shared accountability. This unified strategy is focused on maximizing revenue across the entire customer lifecycle. From initial contact to long-term loyalty, every touchpoint is optimized for revenue generation. The ultimate goal is to eliminate friction and inefficiency, creating a seamless experience for both internal teams and, most importantly, the customers they serve. To achieve this, RevOps standardizes processes, strategically manages technology, and ensures clean, reliable data, and empowers people with the right training, tools, and actionable insights. For sales teams, this means less time bogged down in administrative tasks and significantly more time dedicated to selling. This is made possible thanks to streamlined workflows and access to reliable, up-to-date data. Ultimately, RevOps provides a single source of truth, answering critical questions like which leads are the most valuable and likely to convert, and precisely where bottlenecks exist within the revenue generation process. This robust operational backbone supports sustainable, scalable growth, allowing businesses to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing market. Think of RevOps as the central nervous system of your revenue engine, seamlessly connecting strategy to action across all revenue-generating teams, ensuring everyone is working in harmony. Without this crucial alignment, resources are inevitably wasted and valuable opportunities are consistently missed. With RevOps implemented effectively, businesses can create a smooth, data-driven customer journey and build a powerful engine for predictable and consistent revenue generation. In today's increasingly competitive market, revenue operations is not just an advantage, it's absolutely essential for sustained and consistent growth. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the landscape of business. It refers to smart software equipped with the ability to analyze vast quantities of data, discern complex patterns, and generate predictions, capabilities that are becoming increasingly vital in today's competitive market. These are tasks that once demanded significant human intelligence and time. Now, in the realm of sales, AI isn't about replacing the human element. Rather, it serves to augment and enhance their existing abilities, making them more effective and efficient. AI achieves this by meticulously processing massive amounts of data sourced from CRMs, email communications, and various customer interactions. With AI, sales teams can transition away from relying solely on gut feel decisions and move towards implementing proactive, data-driven strategies that are grounded in solid evidence and insights. It effectively tackles core challenges such as identifying the most promising leads, determining the optimal timing for outreach, crafting personalized messages that resonate with individual customers, and accurately forecasting future sales performance. Traditional sales methods are often slow, cumbersome, and prone to human error. AI steps in to automate and optimize these critical tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources. As a result, salespeople gain access to personalized insights, empowering them to make informed decisions. Sales managers can coach their teams more effectively, providing targeted guidance and support, and business leaders gain strategic visibility into sales performance, enabling them to make data-driven decisions at the highest level. By automating administrative tasks and surfacing deep analytics, uncovering hidden patterns and opportunities, AI empowers sales teams to focus on what truly matters, building strong relationships with customers and successfully closing deals. In essence, AI transforms raw, unstructured data into a valuable strategic asset, ultimately making revenue operations significantly more efficient, predictable, and scalable. Therefore, embracing AI is no longer just an option, but an absolute necessity for achieving sustained sales success in today's rapidly evolving business environment. Sales forecasting has always been tough, often relying on gut feelings and guesswork. This leads to inaccurate forecasts and poor business decisions. AI changes the game by analyzing huge volumes of historical data. deal outcomes, engagement, market trends, to spot patterns humans miss. It delivers forecasts based on real evidence, not speculation. AI-powered forecasting is dynamic, updating predictions in real time as new data comes in. Sales leaders get a live view of pipeline health and can intervene early if deals stall. Reliable forecasts mean smarter hiring, inventory, and financial planning. Managers focus coaching where it matters most, and executives gain the predictability needed for strategic growth. With AI, sales forecasting becomes a source of confidence, not anxiety. Managing a sales pipeline is challenging. Deals stall, priorities get blurred, and opportunities slip away. AI brings structure by analyzing every opportunity and assigning deal health scores based on engagement, timing, and other key factors. Salespeople instantly see which deals need attention and which are at risk. AI also recommends next best actions, like sending a case study or scheduling a follow-up to move deals forward. Proactive coaching is delivered right in the CRM, so nothing falls through the cracks. The result, a more dynamic, efficient pipeline where sales teams focus on high-potential opportunities. Managers have better pipeline reviews, and RevOps can spot and fix process bottlenecks. AI turns pipeline management into a finely tuned engine for growth. The chaos of manual tracking is replaced by intelligent orchestration. Understanding customers is crucial, but their data is scattered across emails, calls, support tickets, and social media. AI acts as a magnifying glass, quickly analyzing this unstructured data to reveal actionable insights. Conversation intelligence tools transcribe and analyze sales calls, surfacing keywords, objections, and sentiment. Managers can pinpoint coaching needs, and sales teams gain a direct window into the customer's voice. AI-driven sentiment analysis flags unhappy or at-risk customers, enabling proactive outreach. These insights allow for highly personalized sales approaches, tailored to each prospect's pain points and history. AI surfaces relevant info at the right moment, like recent support issues before a call, building trust and credibility. RevOps empowers teams to engage more meaningfully, improving retention and win rates. With AI, customer understanding moves from guesswork to precision. The real impact of AI in RevOps isn't just theoretical, it's vividly seen in action, driving tangible improvements across various business functions. We're talking about real-world scenarios where AI is making a significant difference. Consider a SaaS company struggling with the persistent challenge of inaccurate forecasts, leading to resource misallocation and missed opportunities. They turned to AI, leveraging its power to analyze CRM data, identify patterns, and predict future outcomes with greater precision. The AI sifted through mountains of data, uncovering hidden correlations that human analysts might have missed. The result was remarkable, achieving over 95% forecast accuracy within just 2 quarters. This newfound accuracy allowed them to optimize their strategies and make informed decisions. This, in turn, enabled confident growth, knowing that their projections were reliable and their resources were being used effectively. Or take a manufacturing firm that was consistently overwhelmed by a deluge of low-quality leads, wasting valuable time and resources on prospects that were unlikely to convert. To combat this, they implemented AI lead scoring, allowing them to prioritize the most promising leads and focus their efforts where they would have the greatest impact. This strategic shift led to a significant boost in lead-to-opportunity conversion, increasing it by an impressive 40%. And the best part? This improvement was achieved without adding any additional staff, demonstrating the efficiency gains that AI can provide. Consider a logistics company that sought to improve its sales process. They used AI conversation analysis. The AI was able to spot that deals stalled when implementation details weren't discussed early in the sales cycle, a crucial insight that was previously overlooked. Armed with this knowledge, they updated their sales playbook. This simple change, driven by AI insights, cut their average sales cycles by a remarkable 18 days. Finally, consider a telecom company that was constantly fighting customer churn, a persistent challenge in the industry. They used AI to flag at-risk customers, identifying those who were most likely to leave based on their behavior and usage patterns. This allowed them to proactively trigger retention offers, reaching out to these customers with personalized incentives to stay. As a result, they successfully reduced churn by 15%, significantly improving customer lifetime value. These examples collectively showcase AI's power to drive real, measurable results across diverse industries and business functions. From revolutionizing sales forecasting to optimizing lead prioritization, from streamlining pipeline management to enhancing customer retention strategies, AI consistently delivers clarity and efficiency, empowering businesses to make smarter decisions and operate more effectively. RevOps teams are leveraging these AI-driven insights to refine their processes, optimize workflows, and ultimately empower their sales teams to achieve greater success. The result is clear: faster growth, happier customers who feel valued and understood, and a more predictable business environment, allowing for better planning and resource allocation. AI isn't just a theoretical concept or a futuristic vision. It's actively transforming sales organizations and driving tangible results today. The future of RevOps belongs to those who embrace AI and put its power to work, unlocking new levels of efficiency, growth, and customer satisfaction. AI in RevOps brings major benefits: efficiency, productivity, and democratized insights. Automation frees salespeople from repetitive tasks, letting them focus on building relationships and closing deals. AI-powered tools put real-time analytics and coaching in everyone's hands, not just data experts. This creates a culture of smarter decisions and continuous improvement. But challenges exist. AI is only as good as the data it's fed. Poor data quality leads to bad recommendations, so RevOps must prioritize data cleanup and governance. There's also a human factor. Some fear AI will replace them or micromanage their work. Success requires clear communication, training, and using AI as an advisor, not a dictator. The best results come from blending AI's power with human intuition. AI doesn't replace salespeople, it elevates them. The most valuable skills now are empathy, creativity, and strategic thinking, things AI can't replicate. Sales roles shift from information providers to trusted advisors, co-creating solutions with clients. Managers become coaches, using AI insights to develop talent and address real skill gaps. RevOps bridges technology and people, ensuring AI tools are adopted and integrated into daily workflows. Success depends on a culture that sees AI as a collaborator, not a threat. Training teams to interpret and challenge AI insights is key. The future is human plus machine together. They build a smarter, more empathetic sales engine. Thriving with AI starts with strategy, not just buying tech. First, identify a clear business problem like inaccurate forecasts or low conversion rates before seeking an AI solution. Next, prepare your data, clean up your CRM, standardize fields, and set data governance processes. Quality data is the foundation for AI success. Then, run a pilot with a small group to test the tool, gather feedback, and measure results. Use pilot successes to build buy-in for wider adoption. Invest in ongoing training and change management, focusing on both the technical how-to and the strategic why. Communicate openly about the benefits and address concerns. Create feedback loops so users can share experiences and improve the system. Treat AI adoption as a journey of learning and improvement. With the right approach, AI empowers teams to reach new heights.